In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the cabin air filter from this Mercedes A200. So the filter is located on the passenger side. We need to remove this floor mat. And again, if you look under here, you're gonna see a cover. You just press on these clips on both sides. The cover comes out. We've got some debris in here. I can see. Here we go. And that's why you need to take out the floor mat, because it's gonna be in the way here. Now the new filter will have 2 dimensions, so you need to install it like this. It will go up like that. So let's see, we have to squish it a little bit in here. So it can be a struggle the first step, but then it will go in. And you can see we've got these 2 pins which will match basically on the air filter, so it's impossible to install it in the wrong position. Click it in and that's it. Okay guys, so job done. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.